Do you always take a business card when you give one? Do you participate in networking events at your local association? Or how about local business owner and realtor groups? Most real estate professionals answer yes to these questions. But what are you doing to build your LinkedIn network? In this week's Part 3 LinkedIn video, I'll be walking you through ways to make networking easy and fun. Welcome to Thursday's Business Tip. I'm Laurie Egbert, a member of the Bright Training team. Today's 3 networking tips will cover turning those business cards into active connections, fun ways to make connecting easy, and making the most out of LinkedIn groups. Let's start with those business cards I mentioned. It's easy to exchange your cards and file them away. If you're entering the information in your contact database, you may also be sending a follow-up note with a standard, "Nice to meet you." But then what? How does that relationship continue to build? Here's how you can enhance that card exchange. Ask them if they're on LinkedIn. When they say yes, let them know you'll be sending them a connection request. But don't just click that connect button and move on. Be sure to include a note. This is the first key opportunity you have to set a memorable foundation to this now virtual relationship. And it's the one thing you can do that may set you apart from all other connection requests they're likely getting every day. Another great tip is if you're at an event and you receive a handful of business cards, write a post on LinkedIn telling them what a great time you had at the name of the event, and then tag all of the people you connected with, saying you look forward to networking with them. Now, while business cards are still great, we are moving even faster towards a technology-driven world. So why not use technology to your advantage? Make getting those connections even more fun. LinkedIn makes it really easy to connect even without business cards. Here's how. For this, you'll need your LinkedIn app installed. We'll be working from the top of the screen using the code generator and scanner. First, here is where you find yours. Now, if someone asks you for your business card, you can ask them if they have LinkedIn. Yes, great. Have them open their scan code and either have them scan yours or then scan their code. Finally, make the most out of groups. They're as valuable as any other event or group you join in person. Head over to LinkedIn and enter the type of group you'd like to join. I'll use Realtors. Once I type it in, I'll choose Search in Groups. I can browse groups and request to join the ones I'm interested in. Make sure that once you join, you introduce yourself. And that wraps up the final of our 3-part LinkedIn series. If you missed Part 1 or Part 2, you'll find those links below in the description. If you want to see more content like this, take a moment to like this video. And if you found this valuable, share it with your network on LinkedIn. And as always, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.